You're going to get that up to the ramp.
You
Careful,
get
'cause if you go
smaller and
out,
smaller, it's harder.
What level did you
don't
just get up
touch the
to?
outside. We all got up to level 3, wasn't it? No, we didn't make it to level 4. Because that was the last one. It was really hard.
Right.
Don't hit the sides when you're out. They go all the way back.
It's called... What? Okay.
Oh, close.
Did I have that level?
He hasn't even gotten out once.
Well, we'll see how small it gets.
Yeah.
And that is just the box, so you just got to steadily go up that.
Feels a bit of me.
Put the sugar in that.
Yeah.
You may
He's
stir it
right.
though.
Here we go.
Brian's running with no sugar.